feast your eyes on the second elevator here at the School of Pharmacy and Health Professions here in University of Maryland Eastern Shore in Princess Anne, Maryland. You see the elevator machine room over there. I think that one counts as a service elevator. And also, it's a Delaware elevator with innovation with the universal fixture with the pristine fixture. Oops. Basically, it has a rear door. We all know that penthouse is locked, so we'll go to 3. Fixtures. Looks like we got this. So go ring the bell. Now we go back to 1. And we're gonna get our cab view. This cab is like bigger than the other one. Easier to overlay. Your emergency roll button. And the capacity is 4,000 pounds. Here we are at 1.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.